Blah, blah.
Look at these children bickering.
Insane. Blah, 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 blah. Mine. No, I was about to crouch too.
Let's go. Wee. No.
She gone. Oh,
Fuck! I missed.
y'all are wacky.
Uh-oh.
That's a good sign. That's a sign of the good. Switch to yourself.
I
Yeah,
need camera
this is the-
on me.
Oh, that's good. That's great. Look.
Okay, right.
Oh my god, they actually got you.
Damn.
That's crazy, bro.
Yo, I was about to make that
Yeah,
jump.
you were even about to make it. That's the best part.
I did make it. He sniped me.
Okay, I'm gonna go after that guy. Nice.
Nice one.
Nice. God damn it.
He didn't even lay down.
Oh my god, he just killed himself.
I'm getting out of getaway. Just.
She done it. She's done it.
Your instinct to kill amazes me.
Look, I'll never give up a chance on PvP. It's
True.
great.
True.
In this game.
In this game, not
Not
real
in
life.
real life.
Not real life. Oh? Well, that's
Oh, I
some
hear.
good noises.
Battle noise.
Oh, hello. Keep the screen on me. Thanks. I know, fuck it. Just in
Fuck it
case. Okay, you can come, guys. Okay. Get over here. We have some business to attend to. Oh, wait. Oh, we could keep going down. Hold on, let me check what's down.
Okay.
I'll chill here.
Yep.
Okay,
Oh.
I've reconsidered this idea.
Okay.
Yep. See ya. Pas mane atėjo žmogus, nepažiūrėjau.
Oh,
Pas mane atėjo žmogus, and that's the moment I looked away.
that was unfortunate.
And there's a lot of spots we can be in.
Yeah, there's a lot of places to go. Jesus Christ.
Jesus, that's a fat pipe.
How far does this go? Oh my lord.
You can keep going down.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I think so.
Oh my.
So are we supposed to be here?
I think we missed a hideout.
Yeah,
Oh,
probably.
green.
Kažkur čia yra. Okay, you're at the bottom.
No, we can still go
Oh
down.
my lord, it just keeps going down.
Oh my.
You can't go up anymore. Holy shit.
Kad čia nieko nėra.
Čia nieko nėra. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. This is such a nice moment. Right, Edgar?
I scream at Gary.
Just after you start murdering, you can't stop.
Grab a rock. Nice. Now, let's probably jump off.
Whoa.
Okay,
All me, baby, all me. Let's get some water.
thank you. Oh, you lived.
Yeah, when he's weak, his grab strength is lower.
Okay, let's do it.
You want me to roll, right?
Yeah.
I don't know how to roll here.
Ogna, please.
The problem is I don't know how to roll here due to the geometry. It's better to just like bounce off of me. Like jump up, I'll push you up.
Okay, we need three
yeah,
people here.
We need to.
three people.
God damn it. And this is.
Okay, let's wait. What? No, come back.
We need to go down, right?
Get down. No. Lay. Nah, actually, wait. Conjoined? Yeah. Conjoined or to the? No, wait. No. Okay. Lay down. I grab you, now we can join.
Oh,
Well, that works.
That one also works.
can you please make the jump for me?
What do you mean?
No.
No, you gotta do it. Let's go.
No.
See, Vilus failed it, so you can fail it now.
Instead of pressing up, I pressed down.
You see? There you go.
Okay.
It's
thank
okay.
God. At least I don't harbor the full blame now.
I'm not the weakling.
Not today.
Not this one.
We'll see about that.
I
We'll see
have
about
no
that.
vision.
We'll see about that.
No vision.
Oh yeah, you hit me there.
Thank you.
Oh,
Who's making me?
did you pick up the
Oh, we
extra?
could go down here.
There's... Did we? Oh yeah, we didn't.
I mean,
I wanted to go there, but a vulture came in.
yeah.
And I think a
And
vulture
he's
will
still
come in.
coming. I saw his shadow.
You just get near the exit.
Yeah.
There is something, but look at that platforming, so...
No, thank you.
Maybe-
That's looking like a lot of fun.
Maybe next time.
But come on.
I wouldn't mind doing it, but I really don't think every one of us will succeed. There's that guy who has a rock. Ogna.
Nope.
I'm out. That's
Oh,
why I
come
was...
on.
And that's why I was out.
I'm sorry. I'm a pathetic excuse.
Can you...
Well, now you gotta carry me.
My lord. Okay, he's dead, I think. Chill out.
No, I don't think. I just did headshots.
Wait,
the whole
hold
time.
on. Oh, okay, you switched
Okay.
yourself. Hi. Did we eat? Yes. Let's go. We need to go. We don't have much time. I think going down is not gonna lead us to anywhere.
Oh, that's the thing there. Oh, what? Ah!
Okay, that one's dead. Oh, that's not particularly good.
What the fuck? You gotta
Stop!
explore. Okay.
My god, he suicided. Epic. What a nice coincidence.
Fuck, no, I tried to throw
You
it
do
up
know
and-
that now I have to
Oh, no.
grab it.
I didn't mean to.
You stupid. Okay, I got it.
How did
See
you?
ya.
Wait, no.
No, let's go. I got it and that's what
No.
matters. I mean, you probably grabbed onto me, just so you know.
Yeah, probably, yeah. Yeah, definitely me. Oh no.
Oh no, she's
we
doing...
do. We make.
Can you just hold grab or some shit? Oh my god, I lost it. Thank you. Do it.
This is kind of sketchy.
It's,
But I'll do
oh wait, it is actually super sketchy, don't do
No,
it.
no, I'll do it.
Okay, I'll try to block your way. No! When you're in
Damn.
whiplash, then you can't control yourself.
No, oh yeah, I forgot about
I was
that
like,
one.
wait, this is super sketchy. No, it's
Shelter, that is.
Where did we go?
Here?
Go here?
yeah,
Yeah, but
here.
don't rush now. Okay, go.
Go
yeah.
into the three
Right.
lines.
Oh,
Throw them?
Oh,
Okay.
man.
just speedrun it.
Yeah, alright. It's time to speedrun, alright, Okna? We love speedruns. Where am I? Okay, Ugna is dead. I don't know where I am.
Oh, I'm looking in the wrong direction.
Maybe down? Oh? There we go. Alright, see ya. There we go. We could now come back up here and need them. Alright.
God damn it, you just fucking ran away. I was trying my best to chase you down,
Wait, this
but
is that entire time you were chasing me? Oh,
Yeah.
damn. Damn, son.
just murder on my mind.
I got murder on my mind. Hey, good run, good run. Right, Ugna?
Guys, I'm having second thoughts.
But what would you do instead of Rainwald? Right, Velo, so how's that strat going for you?
I have a spear here, so it's fine, guys. Come on.
It's fine.
Come on, guys. Come on.
It's fine.
Don't kill me, guys.
It's
Please,
fine.
I have
Are you
a
sure
spear.
about
I have
that?
a spear here,
You sure?
guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Guys.
I could try and keep down throwing, you know. I'm sure it
Guys,
will work one day.
Believe in me. Believe.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck.
He upside down though.
Guys, please.
What
please
are you
don't
talking
abandon
about?
me.
You're already wasting so many spears. I mean, come on. Why
No,
should
it's
we
fine.
stay?
We don't need the spears. We don't.
We
need
don't need the spears. You're already
find
wasting
new
time
ones.
too.
We'll find new time.
We'll find more time. Okay, you know what? With that argument, you got me. I'm in.
Please.
Just as long as you can find more time, Velo, in this run, I'm in. That's all you have to do. Oh, why'd you do that? Hey, you said you got spears, right? So you can do it. You're a big man. You're a big boy.
Please, please.
What are you talking about? You said you had spears. So, do you want us to waste more spears and more time? Just do it,
Yes.
come on. Oh, yes.
It's hard to stand up.
Velo, I'm just going to say it. You're supposed to find more time. You're wasting time. So you're gonna just have
It's
to find
fine.
more time.
I'm gonna find more time.
You're
It's
gonna
fine.
find
Oh
more
my
time?
God.
Where are you gonna find more time, Velo? Tell me, where will you
Just,
find more time?
Just trust me.
I'm trusting you, man.
Oh,
Find
no.
more time, Velo, come on.
No, I need another spear.
No, you
Why
said
did
you
I
had
do
3
that?
spears. You said you had the spears, Velo, come on.
I didn't think it forgive me.
I did not think, you know, spending more time and more spears, bro, come on.
How much time? Look.
Velo, this entire cycle is going to be you doing this jump.
Look, this entire cycle was
Oh my
already
God,
over
where
before
the
we
fuck are
started.
we
That's
going?
way too little time.
Oh, look, food right there, Velo, food right there.
That's
Oh my-
me.
That's you?
My reincarnation.
That's you, straight up.
Straight
He
up.
doesn't even care. I like how he did not even care, and you just like killed yourself, kind of. Everyone did well this cycle. I like this cycle. This is a good cycle.
He's not been carrying us this whole game.
You look at what Vilus is doing, and you tell me you want me to carry that. I'd literally have to carry him for that.
Bro.
Because he's fucking
Bro.
going bro momentum on me. He's going straight
What
bro
is-
moment.
What is you saying, bro?
You're going straight bro moment, that's all I'm going to say.
Bro, momentu.
Not even close.
Okay, we gotta kinda rush. Why did that not
I
roll?
like your plays, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I like these
What
plays.
the fuck? He grabbed the spear. Oh, fuck you.
Didn't I hit him? What the fuck?
Fuck. God, that's
Oh.
fucking lizard.
Okay,
is so
you're good,
annoying.
Am I?
You're not good. Good job on the whole rushing strategy. I really like it. Hey, we gotta rush, guys. Guys, we gotta rush. Just
Why
jumps
couldn't I
down.
roll there?
Knocks himself
Oh, okay,
out.
this is the run. This is the run.
Oh,
this is
actually, this is the run.
Man, you guys are stupid. And that's the stupid one saying it, so you
That's
know.
Mr. Dumbo. We really gotta learn from Mr. Dumbo, okay?
Wait, I didn't even pick up a second spear.
You stupid.
You dumb.
You dumb. You
Please, I
fucking.
gotta not fuck this up.
Why are you doing this? Velo, you.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Why are you doing this, Willow?
Velo, it's all your fault.
Oh!
I can tell. We'll throw.
We gotta rush. We gotta go.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Oh
fine.
shit. Not even close. Alright, I guess we wait. He dead though. Kiek laiko turim? Nice.
Grab it. Thank you.
Wait. Okay, let's go.
Damn.
Nice.
That was complete.
Alright, fuck this.
So I'm going. Goodbye.
Окей, ретрит, Угне. Бег, слепкis kažkur. Yeah.
Don't kill me.
Yeah,
don't
I'm
kill
trying.
Me, don't kill me,
Go
don't
down,
kill
go down, go down. Arba bėg.
Ugna, can you go up? I'm scared.
Okay, I got him.
Holy shit.
It's a bloodbath. Okay, so but what if we?
I got the
Save.
mask. Oh, you wanna? It's hard to save. It'll be really hard to come back. I think we should just rush it. Do we have food? Okay, we do have food. Let's go.
Oh, we do have. Okay, let's go then.
Okay.
Oh, hell nah.
Hold on. Okay, let's go. We can still make it. This is the most time we've had so far, so. Okay. Oh, goddamn. Well,
Oh,
he's friendly though.
Oh.
You are so fucking. You are so.
I had to save.
Let's go.
I had, wait, what about the second match?
We gotta go.
Okay. Well, that was very unfortunate, buddy.
that was very stupid of
That
you.
was very dumb of
I
you.
didn't want to jump fucking
Here.
3 meters in front, but
Actually, wait, we didn't need to go there. Okay, it's alright. Oh! Actually, that's actually kinda. Whatever, too late. Whatever, too late. Here. You have a spear?
How's spear?
Okay, stand here, and when you jump, throw, okay?
Are you kidding me?
No slash šiek tiek žemiau.
Well, it is what it is.
Who decided it was a good idea to let me have a stressful moment?
It's okay.
It's fine.